Well, Katie and Mark, right now about 50 people from the Miami Valley are on their way to the nation's capital for the 50th anniversary of the March on Washington. Now, the bus carrying that group left just a few moments ago from the Northwest Shopping Plaza here in Dayton. Now, the Dayton chapter's NAACP president Derek Forward tells me it's a historic event and he's thankful that they're able to celebrate it in Washington, D.C. Now, Forward says every single person who is going has been touched by this march in some way. The group includes many people who are going for the first time, but one man tells me he attended the famous march in 1963. Now, some people who are going tell me that the recent events like the Trayvon Martin case and the Australian baseball player who was murdered have renewed racial tensions, and it's events like this march that help bridge that gap.
It's really exciting because we're learning about history, but we're making history also. It's monumental because we're still fighting for some of the things that Dr. King fought for when he was there. And although we've made strides, we still have a lot of work to do.
I was 20 when I went. Now I'm in my 70s. So now I'm still back to day one. And I hope that my kids, I'm taking two of my brothers to go along with me and one of my sons, before they understand that how time is going like a circle. It's going back to where it was.
Now, that group left this shopping plaza just a few moments ago, and they're expected to arrive in Washington, D.C. around 7 a.m. Reporting live in Dayton, Jackie Sprague, 2 News, working for you.